My name is Stella Pauline. I work at Jazzy Beauty Spa. So today we are going to talk about the vaginal wash and how it's used. A vaginal wash is a foam-like stuff which is used to cleanse the vagina. You use the vaginal wash after you take your shower. You cleanse your vagina with it for 2 to 3 minutes, then you rinse it off. Using the vaginal wash helps in several things. Number 1, it protects against infections. It also eliminates any sort of irritation. It helps in maintaining normal pH of the vagina, which is important in preventing bacterial infections.